Bang. Welcome back, folks. This is 3 at 3. And on this program, what I bring you is unusual activity that we have found during the trading day, today being the 28th of February, 2028. And what we care about is, quite frankly, unusual activity that is more robust than usual. When we see that, we follow it, and quite frequently, it results in very profitable trades. Always have to keep your discipline. You know that if you've watched us at all. And I will emphasize it throughout this broadcast. Now, this is the first of today's 3 at 3, and it is RITM, like Mary. 10,000 May 10 calls. Hey, that's a million share equivalent. So that's $10 million trade. I mean, pretty big stuff. They bought them for just 10 cents. So the stock's trading $9.17. Is this a bet that we go through 10 between now and May expiration, the third Friday in May? Maybe. Look at what they also did. They sold the 11 calls for 4 cents. So their net on this trade is $6 per option, because 6 cents, the difference between 10 cents and 4 cents, 6 cents is $6 because every option's for 100 shares. You hear us say it all the time, still true. But this would cover you through the earnings announcement for RITM, which is the 2nd of May. So $6 to have 10,000 of these out there for $6. In other words, a $60,000 investment, not a huge investment, could be a huge return if this thing pops between now and that third Friday of May. Bang. Reminding you also about our Sonoma or Vintners Resort in Santa Rosa, California. June 8th through 10th, we have marketrebellion.com/Sonoma. That's marketrebellion.com/Sonoma. That will be occurring with 25 lucky folks that are able to afford and come to Sonoma. We've got hotel, we've got dinners, we've got 2 days of live trading. It will be a fabulous time. Go to marketrebellion.com/Sonoma for more. That's marketrebellion.com/Sonoma for more. All right, second trade today. LAZR, LAZR. 70,000 April 8 calls, bought aggressively for about $2. 70,000, in case I misspoke, 70,000 of those calls for $2 is $200 70 times. 70,000 times, sorry. I don't know what's going on. Probably too much sun today or something. Anyway, 70,000 2 times. They also collected for those 12 calls 70 cents. Let's say it's roughly $1.30 investment, or $130, 70,000 times. That's a big trade. That's why we followed it. LAZR was $9.15 when they made this trade. It is an in-the-money trade by $1.15, and they paid $1.30 for it. So basically, versus where the stock is right now, they paid 15 cents over where the stock is to have the potential to turn $130 into $400. If you're somebody that thinks the way I do, that makes a lot of sense. And yes, I like the trade a lot. Discipline dictates action. Trading Summit today, Tuesday, February 28th at 4 p.m. You can register at marketrebellion.com/register. That's marketrebellion.com/ We use events like yesterday when we cited Tesla when it was 207, traded over 212 this morning. If you were somebody who exercised your discipline, you made some nice coin. If you're somebody who just kind of watched and said, well, I think it's going to 220, maybe it is. Tomorrow's the investor day for Tesla. So maybe it does. But wouldn't you rather be disciplined, take some money off the table, leave some out there? That's the way we trade. You want to learn more about that? Join us at 4 p.m. Eastern today, right at the market close. Lastly, BOIL. This is an ETF for nat gas. And nat gas, after selling off, looks like maybe it's making a move higher. Somebody's certainly betting that it is, because they bought 24,000 of these March 7 calls, paying 25 cents for something that expires in basically 2.5 weeks. Now, they also took a profit on the 10th of March, 6 calls, which also had a very large open interest, and they ended up selling about 16,000 of that 22,000 open interest. So they're pulling some money off the table and yet extending it out at a higher strike in regular March expiration options. So once again, this is the kind of trade we like to follow, and I'm sharing it with you here on 3 at 3 for that very reason. Bang. All right. If you'd like to join us, become a rebel, then go to marketrebellion.com/get started. If you're somebody who needs to start with the basics, we've got that. Distance learning. You can do it right on your PC, on your cell phone, on your iPad, whatever it might be. We also have coaches and mentors that can help you understand things, and it's just like a private lesson in skiing. Do you want a group lesson? Nothing wrong with that. Or do you need a little more hand holding? Well, we have private lessons as well. So we've got coaches, we've got mentors, we've got that distance learning, we've got everything to help you along the way. Go to marketrebellion.com/get started for more. Well, that's it for us today, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. I will be back tomorrow, and I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. See you then.